What's going on, everyone? Honda Fit for Adventure here, and today I'm going to show you how to remove the shift knob on a third generation Honda Fit. Perhaps you wanted to do this when you were removing your center console. I do have a video on my channel explaining how to fully remove your center console, but perhaps you stumbled on this video first, so I'm going to show you how to do that. Later on, I'm going to be adding a aftermarket shift knob, and I'm going to need a aftermarket shift collar to secure the shift boot to the shift knob. I also have a short throw shifter coming in, so make sure to like and subscribe and stay tuned for that. So to remove the shift knob, it's a very simple process of just pulling down on the collar. I couldn't believe it myself. Then turn it counterclockwise, that is toward your left. And now the shift knob has been removed. You can see if we install a aftermarket shift knob, the collar is not going to stick to the bottom. This one doesn't do a bad job, actually. But we are going to add a shift boot collar later on. Here's a new aftermarket shift knob twisted on, and here's the stock shift boot and stock collar. It's not terrible, but we are going to fix that up. Put the shift knob back onto place, simply put it back on the bolt, rotate it clockwise, that's toward your right. There we go. Twist it numerous times back into position. And then slide up the shift collar until it snaps into place. And that's how you remove the shift knob on a third generation Honda Fit. Thank you for watching.